Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. So today is my day 8 of my challenge of making 10 lakhs from 20,000 rupees. So here are the trades that I have taken on day 8, that is on 26th of August. I have taken 3 trades on the Nifty on the call side. So I see these are the positions. The strike price at which I took the trades is 24,900, 24,950 and 25,000. So you can see a one pattern is there, that maybe the market was in a trend, or the market was already was having a good momentum in the market. So for which I took 3 trades at 5 minutes time interval. I took first trade on 9:30 and exited at 9:35. 9:40 I've entered and exited at 9:45, and similarly at 10:14 I've entered and exited at 10:19, and overall made a profit of rupees 1000, you can say 1000 rupees. So these were the 3 trades. So let me show you the reasons that I took the trade. So let me deep dive into this trading view chart. Okay, so this is my 26th August chart. Firstly, the Nifty chart had opened with a gap up and it came down to this support level. And after that, a new candlestick that formed. A new candlestick that formed, it is showing me that it's a bullish harami candlestick pattern, since it covered like 50% of the previous bearish candle. And see, in that previous bearish candle there are no sellers in the upside, as there is no wick over there in the red candle. Here at the downside you can see there is a wick, so the buyers are present, but at the upper side there is no sellers present. So currently the market should be in the uptrend movement in the 5 minutes time frame. So when this bullish candle formed, and it also gave me a breakout in from this resistance line, at this position I took the trade at 925 position, at 925 or 930. 930 I took the position on this candle. On this candle I took the trade at 930 position, since the previous two candles gave me a bullish or the positive outlook of the market. So that is why I took the trade. And the most important thing is that whenever you do a breakout trading, firstly think that a candle has formed over here breaking out this resistance line. After that, another candle needs to be formed above that previous bullish candle. Then only you can take the trade, so you get the confirmation that currently the market will be bullish. So I took the trade over here in this candle and took the whole trade till top of the wick and exited the trade at this moment and made a profit of rupees 597, or you can say rupees 600. After that again I took the trade at 940, since it's a total Maribuzu candle or a 3 white soldier pattern. 3 white soldier pattern means when there are 3 bullish candles one after another forming in a uptrend moment, then it's called the 3 white soldier. So it shows the buyer or the sellers that the market will be in the uptrend moment. So that is where I took the trade at the 940 position, and with that wick or 945 I made a small profit, not a big profit. Yes, see, not a big profit. When there was a good wick formation, I couldn't escape or exited the trade, but I left out of this position, so it's a minimal profit of rupees 87 of rupees 81. So overall, by cutting the brokerage and the charges, it's coming only 27 rupees, but not an issue. Seeing the market was going to stabilize for a moment at this position, again it gave me a breakout at this level. So I took a trade over here at this position at the 10:14 and exited at this 10:19 a.m. So again it was a 5 minutes time frame gap. So there I made a profit of rupees 500. It's a simple concept. Whenever you see a uptrend moment, and after the uptrend moment you see some stable line or a zone forming over there in that particular area, after that the market will show you the bull moment or the bearish moment. The market won't be zoned in that particular area. So after exiting the trade, I saw there was a bearish momentum in the market, and I didn't take any other entries on that particular day because you can see the market was moving in the zone. This is the support line and this is the resistance line. So the market, whole day the market moved sideways. See, only this breakout, no, it is for 27th. So this is, yes, till this point the whole momentum that the Nifty gave us was in the first half an hour or the first 1 hour in the market. After that, the whole day the market was in the sideways. So there was no trade possible, and after that I didn't take any trades on the Nifty, Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty. And also on particular day I didn't take any trade on the forex market also. So overall PNL for that day 8 is 1014, and by adding the total capital I'm getting 17,915. So where I started 19,617 and currently it's 17,915. So already it's being a loss of rupees 2000 in the overall crypto and the Indian market. Oh, sorry, in the forex market also. So that's all for day 8. See you all on day 9. Thank you everyone.